All right, so apparent size, and here's kind of putting these ideas to some real practical use. Um, and how can we, here's going to be apparent size. How can we figure out the measure, or the length or the diameter of something very far away without actually being able to get to it? And so, um, kind of context-wise, let's think of if we're here and we're on Earth, and we're looking out, and it's going to be, in the next problem, you're going to be looking out to Jupiter. Now we don't know how big Jupiter is. We can't figure out what the here the diameter is. It's going to be we can't run over to it and measure it. But we can look at, well, hey, when we're looking at something like Jupiter, what's the measure of the angle when we're looking at the top and at the bottom of it, on the two edges of it? So we're going to have our theta in here, and kind of contextually think of this as a giant circle going all the way around, and we're here at the center. And obviously, that's a terrible drawing, but hopefully you get the idea of what's going on. We're going to think of this point right here as the center of the circle, making these right here radii, and then we're looking for the diameter of this object we're looking at, but that's going to be our arc length of our giant circle, the one going, again, way out here. All right, so that's our arc length right here. The diameter is going to be our arc length. And then we'll go through and solve just like we have been before. So we'll have whatever the measure is. So if we did it in degrees, we would have theta divided by 360 degrees equals our arc length divided by the circumference of the circle, which is 2 pi radius. Or if we had it set up to radians, we would have theta over 2 pi. All right, and either one works out for us. Just depends on what we're given, if we're given degrees or if we're given radians. So using that idea, try that next problem before watching the video, and then in the video we'll run you through how to do those that next box. All right, hope that helps.